Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a van 135 error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to run through the most common fixes first. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and restart Riot Vanguard. So this is a quick win. So from here, go ahead and close Valorant and your keyboard. Click on your Windows key and R to open up Run. Then from here from type in services.msc, click OK, and then basically from here we want to go ahead and find VGC. Then once you've found it, just go ahead and right click it, and then also along with any VPNs as well. So if you've got any VPNs or proxies, just go ahead and disable them. Next fix is to run Valorant as administrator. So basically find Valorant, right click it, and then run as administrator. You can also set this permanently inside of properties and compatibility. And the next fix is to head into settings. So click on the search, type in settings, get in the settings. Now we need to make sure Windows is up to date. So go ahead and click on check for updates if there are any updates. As you can see, I've got updates available on mine. I want to go ahead and run them. And the last fix is to check out time and language. Click in the time, date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically is enabled and set time automatically. If these two are disabled, you're probably going to find there's a few different program games and stuff not working quite right on your PC.